What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another self-cut tutorial. You see I'm turned up right now. But wait a minute. Oh my. Boy, you look homeless, boy. Boy, when you ain't got no fresh cut, boy, you be humble, boy. But wait, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned for this fire. Alright, just so y'all know, I don't cut the top of my hair because I got a funny shaped head. My head shaped like a got doggone torpedo. But I'm gonna take this #1 guard with the lever all the way open and cut down the sides and back of my hair. But I'm gonna stay away from the crown area of my head. Now I'm taking my comb and I'm lifting my hair up off of my scalp so I can go over it one more time with the 1 guard lever open. Now I got my 1.5 guard about to attack my crown area. I recommend using a half size bigger guard when going at your crown area because it's less density in your crown area. And you don't want to be walking around with a patch in the back of your head. I know you don't. Boy, it look like I got a patch right there. What y'all think? Make sure y'all checking you can check after every stroke of the clipper. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure y'all doing a great work. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be putting patches in your head then look back and be like, oh, you know what I'm saying? It's too late then. Now I'm brushing my hair in this natural direction, getting ready to start my taper with no guard lever all the way closed. And I'm going to set this guideline in to line up to where my ear meets my head. That's where my first guideline will stop. Notice how I'm stretching my skin with my opposite hand. This is gonna help lift the hairs up off your scalp so it's easier for your clippers to do its job. Now I got my lever all the way open, about to set in my second guideline, keeping it parallel to the first guideline, going up about 1/2 inch. Now I'm closing my lever up halfway to blend those 2 guidelines into each other. I'm going to use the corner of my blade so that I don't raise my fade up any higher. I only want to get those dark areas. So this is called finessing, you know what I'm saying? You only need to use the corner of your blade to get those 2 guidelines to blend into each other. And if the lever halfway is not getting it, feel free to close the lever up and use the corner of the blade with it all the way closed. Remember, man, you gotta finesse it, man. Get it to your liking, you know what I'm saying? And now I got my #1 guard on with the lever all the way open. Remember, I cut my hair down with the lever open. So this is going to blend it into the hair length around my sides. This is going to connect the fade into my haircut. So right here I'm going up about 1/2 inch with the lever open on my #1 guard. Now I'm closing up the lever on my #1 guard and I'm about to come right underneath where I went with the #1 guard open. Now I'm finessing again using the corner of the blade. Now I'm taking my #1 guard with the lever all the way closed and I'm knocking down the top portion of my taper to create a better transition from that number 1 guard open to my taper. I'm gonna be doing the same steps on the neck taper. Make sure you finesse it, man. Get it to where you want it to be. Remember, the haircut is not gonna be as clean as a barber would do it, but this is just to help you guys clean up, you know what I'm saying? In case your barber is too busy to take care of you. I'm just trying to help y'all be able to take care of yourself and clean yourself up when those hard times come around. If you're looking for this product, it'll be linked in the description below, but I use this product called Glass to clean my hairline off, so when I come through with my trimmers, I'm gonna get a sharp, crispy line up. This product cleans all the dirt, grease, and debris from around your hairline area, so your trimmers can give you a sharper line. Now I'm just brushing everything in place, so when I come through with my trimmers, I get a nice crispy edge up. Make sure y'all get y'all some practice before y'all cut the trimmers on, because the mirror will play tricks on you. The best advice I can give you is putting your index finger on the top of the trimmer and just imagine you scratching your neck with your index finger to give you a better sense of direction. When it comes to getting behind your ear, all you need is the corner of the blade to trace that line out. You don't need the entire blade for that area. Just use the corner and trace that curve out. Neck taper could be better, but we gonna rock with this because I'm just trying to clean myself up. Now this right here is an eyebrow razor. I want to shout out to my mama. She put me on. Well, she ain't really put me on. I used to steal her eyebrow razor just to get a sharper line up, because we couldn't afford them barbershop prices. So I used to take her razors and give myself a line up with them. And you want to be careful not to cut yourself, because these things are pretty sharp. You know what I'm saying? But this is an easy tool to use. All you want to do is just clean up your lineup and don't dig too far in and push your lineup back. This is the side I gotta be careful on, because you see my hairline is yow. That mother yow. That eyebrow razor put me in there, you know what I'm saying? But I'm finna follow it up with my trimmers. And for my boxes, this is the way I like to hold my trimmers, because holding my trimmers the other way where I can't see is like gambling with my life. And I'm not finna do that. I ain't finna be walking around here looking like Boo Boo the Fool. It's a wrap for that. Now it's time to add this sauce. I'm about to make myself look 10 years younger, you feel me? Now I'm coming through with my comb to spread out those hair fibers to give it a more natural look. Now I'm coming through one more time with my trimmers to do some cleanup work. Last but not least, I use Tresemme level 4 holding spray to lock all the fibers in place. And you want to spray this hairspray at a distance. And this the finished cut. I hope y'all gained a lot of knowledge from watching this video. I appreciate y'all that made it through the full tutorial. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. MikeWillBlendIt. I'm out, man. Y'all stay blessed.